Hello, my loves. How are you? Ula and I had the wonderful pleasure of going to see the Azzedine Alaia exhibition at the Design Museum here in London. As many of you know, Azzedine Alaia passed away recently, and so it's such a treat to see his work. And the exhibition is only here for a while. It's going all over the world, and I wanted to share it with you. Enjoy, my loves, and I will see you next week. Kiss.
Circles for so long, I never really understood what I did wrong. I was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In a middle said, then it all came back. When I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. There's no place I'd rather be here in this world. Cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What did I do? In the middle of sex, then it all came back. When I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What else could I do? In the middle of sex, and it all came back when I thought that everything was lost.